Friends, my name is Ashok Sejala. In this session, we learn the digit sum in integer number in C language. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch my video better way. And here Turbo C++ for window base is there. And now some take some time and now open. Yes, Alt F file menu is open and taking new file, and here write the definition. Write a uh, program, write a program to enter one integer, we can say that number, and print sum of digits. Okay, print sum of digit. So that is our goal, how to print of digit sum. So you can say that print sum of digits. Okay, and here our definition, write a program to enter. So we can enter one integer number. So that is our code, and print sum of digit, that is our output, and then in between some process. So you can find three words your definition: input, process, and the output. So then and then you can understand your definition. Like divide and conquer, that is rules of British. So that is you can say that is apply to our C programming language, that rules. So you can easily understand your definition. So here header file we have to provide in link section, and you have to all know full form, standard input output and console input output. So now we can start the main function and taking some variable like integer, because we can enter one integer number. So taking n, only first letter number, then d to separate our digit for that number, and sum to assign the 0, so not garbage value. Okay, now clear the screen, and then we can first take the printf statement. So we can enter one integer number, suitable message in printf. Enter, okay, so enter one integer, mm, integer number. Okay, so message, and just here scanf function we can use. So, yes, and that's the percentage d and ampersand n. So now our, that is a input. So we can first step is complete. So what is input? Input one integer number. Now process, that is a logic. So every definition first is a, you can input, then logic, and then output. There is a you can say three step you can process your any definition in C programming. Okay, so which loop we can take? There are two type of loop: in entry control loop and exit control loop. In entry control loop, while and for loop, and exit control loop, do while loop is. Here the definition: enter an integer number and print sum of digit. There is no any starting ending iteration or value is there, so we can use the while loop. So number program we can take the while loop. So n is greater than 0, then we can here apply to a logic. Okay, we can apply to a logic. First F to save our file, and that is, we can say that uh, digit, okay, digit uh, sum and dot c, but there is a more than 8 characters, so we can give only first digit dig underscore sum. So you cannot take more than 8 character in your file name in C language. Okay, so now dig underscore sum, digit sum. Okay, now we can separate our digit, and that d equal to n, and module operator, so that is separate, and d module 10. So d is holding the our number as a last digit, and we can store sum equal to sum plus D. And also we can write in short technique compound assignment operator, but here just you can plus equal, so that sum is ring, and that's full form is sum equal sum plus D, same as a previous, but we can short, that is plus equal minus equal, all arithmetic you can divide, multiplication, division, asterisk sign, divide, modulo, but one variable equal here, sum equal to sum plus D, that is required. So you cannot write this sum two times. That is beneficial for short, but you can understand that is a full form or that statement saying this type. So I just write in comment line. And now n uh, divide by 10. So new number taking same n variable. And now that is a finish to our logic. And here we print our sum. The summation of, we can say that digits, summation or sum of digits, that is no problem. Percentage D, and addition you can say also in. So here just print sum SUM, okay, and get CH. So there is a, now I have to save first and compile F9. Yes, there is no any. And here our dig underscore sum.exe file is generated, and zero warning and zero error. I just press any key to enter key and control F9. Okay, let us check. I give first 1, 2, 3. So 6 is the answer, that is digit sum. So there is just 6 is the answer. We can first in our mind and some paperwork. So what is the input and what is the output? So you can first judgment given by the C compiler, but in your mind is clear what is input and what is output and what in between process. Okay, let us take some 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, 10 is there, and now I give some big number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 50. Okay, now is some trouble. There is 5 digit, there is no problem. Okay, now 6, there is a difficulty because they're out of range of integer. So that is a digit like 0. So what is a solution of that? In my previous, like in reverse number, I take watch how to set your watch in. So here integer data type range is not sufficient. We can give the after 6 digits. So what we can do, and that is the answer, we can take our number as a long integer, and then this dn, there is some, we can give integer, there is no problem. So here we can ld, scanf function, long decimal, so long integer, that is a formatting symbol ld. Okay, so now our error is solved. Let us check. Yes, first here semicolon is remaining, so that is every statement terminate with semicolon in C language. So yes, now we can first 6. So yes, now is a correct or answer. Count in yourself 6, 4, 15 and 6, 21 is there, correct answer. Okay, so you can also set like here in window, that is a option, and here watch is there. So here you can find your watch, and also you can see your output in same as plus here you can say that output window is there. So our output is print, and here I start just press F7. So compiler execute in main and taking one integer number like 1, 2, 3. Just I can give 3. You can tracing this our program line by line. So we cannot give more number, but just how it's applied to sum. Okay. So I just show you in watch window, just in green line, just enter and take your variable. Like first we can take number, and then uh, down arrow key and green sign, enter, hit key, enter key press, and then taking key, and then sum. So sum is a 0, we can assign. Otherwise, you can look in watch. There is a D is a some garbage value. So there is a problem in C language. You cannot assign any variable that is taking a garbage value. So that statement now assigned to like 3, our digit is separate because we have to use modulo operator. So 3 assigned to D digit. So let us check. Yes, now is a 3, garbage value is a gone, means remove. And that 2 byte, because integer holding C language as a 2 byte and long integer is a 4 byte. So now I just trace and sum is 0, but now is a here, yes, plus sign is there. What's okay? We cannot remove plus sign, so that is a now just write F7. Yes, modify, so that is start again. So you can modify that time all continue as I just give as previous. And F7, yes, now is these 3, sum is 0, and now sum is 3. That is a that statement is full form sum plus, that is known as a compound assignment. You can use all arithmetic operator like minus, equal, multiplication, division, modulo division. So but that same number you have to store that type. Here we can also take like n equal to n divide by 10. After we can complete first our watch and then we change, otherwise it taking all for starting. Okay, so our sum is 3. Now n is greater than 0, 12. Yes, new number to store divide n equal to n divided by 10. So new number is 12. Yes, greater than. Now 2 is separation modulo n modulo 10. So that is a digit now 2, and sum is 3. So sum is now 5. Yes, yes, now 5. And new number is only 1. Yes, 1 greater than 0. Yes, then here we can say that separate digit only 1. So n modulo 10, and that is only 1. So the digit separate 1. Yes, and sum is 5 previously in that memory or bytes, 2 bytes, 5 value. Now 1 addition, so 6. And uh, n is 1 and divide by 10, so that is 0, and now our condition is false, while n greater than 0, but n is 0, so not equal sign. So just we can use greater, not equal to some, otherwise it is taking some garbage value. Okay, so come out and here look at the watch output window. You can see your output is directly here. Yes, our output is print summation of digits 6, and then trace the get ch, and we can see in console that window, that screen known as a console screen. So we can include the console input output, that blank screen, or you can say that mono screen, that other name mono screen, that is known as a console screen. Okay, okay, so I just F9. So our yes, and I again repeat watch and output window in the digit sum. So there is, and yes, also here we can use in last year I just remove the n variable and provide here slash. So that is the same meaning. Yeah, I write here full form n equal to n divided by 10. So any plus the same variable here we cannot apply because here d is a other variable and n is a other variable. Both are separate variable integer, but here is possible sum plus d, and here is also possible n equal to n divided by 10. So there is, let us check any error is there. No, just no any error, and just run, and we can provide up to 6 digit, because we can take the number as a long integer. So 21 answer. Okay, so again I just 1 2 3 4 5, so 15 answer digit sum. So I hope you can understand, and I full screen zoom, and you can write in your notebook in C programming separate, and how to you can here new concept, that is a compound assignment operator, equal sign, plus equal, division equal. So when two variable you have to same variable you can assign any value, that time you have to use that is short technique. So after you can understand, you cannot apply this, just I give in comment line for your reference. So I hope you can understand, enjoy this session, that is only digit sum. Okay, now you can watch my wait my upcoming video lecture. I perfect number Armstrong number, palindrome number, factorial number, so many number programming is there in C programming. So I just close alter F3 functions key, and again because watch and output window we have to also close and then come out any editor. Any file is open and you open again. So there is a difficulty for compiler judgment which file is working is presently in that compilation. So come out any in editor of C++ and C programming both, that you close all file and then alter X quit. Okay. So thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture. Subscribe my channel Ashok C Jala Academy and press the bell icon you have to press, then notification for you my new video is uploaded in my channel Ashok C Jala Academy. So thanks again watching, and many students so many demands for that concept explaining the your YouTube channel. So I hope we can I best try my level, so you can share this video to your college friends and BCA and first sem, that is C language. MCA is a first sem, PGDC is also in first sem, but many some cities not, but everywhere is a C is a base language in our computer field. So you can apply, I can say again, like 500 program in first sem. So you can best way learning is a C language, that is a basic programming language. So I hope you can apply your own logic and trace and first paperwork, algorithm, flowchart, and then apply your programming. Just not write your sir, madam, write in board programming. You can apply in Turbo C++, just type and see yes, output is this. That is not, you can get perfect idea in C language. So I hope you can understand what I am saying. If you some good program in C language, that you can best level apply to your own logic. Okay, so that is the best learning technique. And watch and also use watch any error is there. So trace first in your mind, dry run, trace iteration table. So in paperwork, then apply any definition in C program. Okay, so I hope you can a good programmer in future in C programming. So thanks for your watching and supporting my video lecture. Hare Krishna.